In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a channel private in Slack. Switching your channels from public to private on Slack is a straightforward process that enhances your team's privacy and focus. Before diving into the steps, it's helpful to understand why you might want to make a channel private. Private channels in Slack are ideal for conversations that should be restricted to specific team members, such as discussions involving sensitive information or projects that aren't accessible to everyone in your organization. First, you need to open Slack and navigate to the channel you wish to make private. It's important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to change the channel settings. Typically, you need to be a workspace owner or an admin to adjust privacy settings. If you do have the required permissions, you're ready to get started. You'll notice once you're inside the channel, there's a settings gear icon located at the top right of the channel window. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This action will open up a drop-down menu presenting several options related to the channel settings and preferences. What you want to do next is look for an option titled Additional Options, or simply Settings. After you've clicked on the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Change to a Private Channel. Now click on that option. This is the step that officially sets the privacy of your channel to private. Slack will then prompt you with a confirmation message, warning you that changing a channel to private is a one-way street. This action cannot be undone. All members can see the channel until these settings are changed, so ensure this is the right decision for your team. If you're certain, confirm this action by clicking the button that says Change to Private. Once you've completed these steps, you have successfully switched the channel's status to private. Note that all members who are currently in the channel will remain, but no new members can join unless they're invited by a current member. To verify that these changes were implemented correctly, look for a lock icon, which should now appear next to the channel's name in the channel list, indicating that the channel is now private. Remember, making a channel private is a great way to control access and ensure that only the right people are involved in particular discussions within your team. Keep in mind that transparency and communication are key, so always inform your team why a channel's privacy settings have been changed. If you need to make additional changes, you can always revisit the settings to adjust as necessary. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can ensure your team's communications remain as private as they need to be. Thanks for tuning in, and happy collaborating on Slack.